Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to Knowledge TV. Today our topic is uses of prepositions. Before this you must watch my video about the position and what is preposition values which is related to this topic. So let us take a start about the uses of prepositions. The first preposition at where it use. We use it for the small places. For example, he lives at Shalimar Bagh. Okay, so it is used for small places. It is also used for minor operation. For example, the bus stop at the road. Okay, the bus stop at the road. So this is a short operation. The bus will go soon after when it stops. Third, we use it for the definite part of the space. For example, the servant the servant stood at the corner of room. So it shows the place. Okay, definite part of space. For example, direction is there. There the servant is uh, standing at the corner. Okay, the position is mentioned there. The fourth use of it is definite point of time. Okay, definite point of time. Okay, the mention is must be definite. So we use, for example, we say that he lives has a bed at 5 a.m. Okay, so this is the definite time. The time is mentioned, the morning time, 5 a.m. Okay, it is also used with words denoting the rate or degree at which a thing is done. For example, he draw the car. He draw the car at full speed. Okay, so here is the rate is mentioned at the full speed the car is running. Second degree, for example, milk 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 is being sold rupees a liter. Okay, so here is the degree. Degree is a liter. Milk is sold at the milk is being sold at rupees a liter. Okay. Okay, the next preposition is we take number 2 it n. Okay, so where is n used? N is used before countries, large towns and a period of time. And reference to future is, for example, he lives in South Asia. He lives in Pakistan simply. Okay, so here before a country it is used n. Next, it is also used for a period of time. For example, he will come in 2 days. So there is time, the remaining that in 2 days he will come in. Now coming to the next preposition, that is n and n2. So sometime n denote position or rest inside something. And n2 what denotes? It denotes motions toward or inside from or outside. For example, there is a frog. There is a frog in this well. Okay, so here the position is in rest. The frog is inside the well. Take example of n2. So a cat just a cat has just fallen into the sea, into this well. So here the position is fallen to this well. So here is moment and more. Now that these two prepositions by and with. By is used to indicate the doer or agent of an action. This is usually a person might sometimes be expressed by an abstract noun. With indicate the material instrument used in action. For example, the stick was broken by Rehan. The stick is broken by Rehan. Okay, so the action is done here by whom? By Rehan. He broke the stick. Take example of with, where it use let me write with a pen. Let me write with a pen. So here is a pen is an instrument. So before an instrument, the word preposition with use. Okay, on is used in speaking of a thing at rest. For example, he sat on the chair. Upon, upon, often, often of things in motions. Right? Okay, it is used for things in motion. For example, the dog Frank upon a cat. So here is upon is showing motions, and sit on shows the rest position because the person is sit on the chair. Okay, and the next time on is used where on denotes the actual contact with some object. For example, he is standing on the road, while or used doesn't do so. For example, they are not they haven't denotes actual contact with some objects. For example, the plane flew over my head. So here the position is not recognized where the plane is, but here is position is mentions. It denotes that the person is standing on the road. Okay, it denotes the fixed movement. For example, he left work at 3 o'clock. While about is used where about suggests proximity to a certain time. For example, he is about to come. Okay, so here is the time is not mentioned there. Where, when he will come. About to come. It means that he is just coming. Okay, tell means what? Tell means not earlier than. For example, I was kept. I was kept waiting till 5 o'clock. While by means what? Not later than. For example, I shall return. I shall return home by 8 o'clock. Okay, these two prepositions are very confusing that where it to be used. So first of all, we should recognize the meaning of beside. Beside mean what? Beside means by the side of or near. Okay, for example, stood he stood beside he stood beside where the new cafe. Okay, so he stood beside near to the coffee shop or anything else. While beside means in addition to. For example, he he gave me he gave me a pen. He gave me a watch or a pen beside watch. Beside a watch. Okay. In addition to. Okay, sense and power is also used for a time. Okay, sense refers to a point of time and for refers to a period of time. For example, he has been working since morning. Okay, so here is the time is mentioned from when he is working. So he was working from morning. For far it is shows just a time but not the exact time. Okay. For example, I say have not I have not met him. I have not met him for 3 months. Okay, so here the months are mentioned 3 months, but doesn't mention that which 3 months. That's April, May, June, July. So they are not mentioned. So it means there is not the exact time mentioned for we used. Okay, from and by. From refers to time. It may be used with any tense, past, present, or future. By refers to the points of future time and denotes sometime before that time. For example, we shall start we shall start classes we shall start classes from next month. Okay, so the time is mentioned. From next month we will take the classes. By used for future time. Okay, will he will reach Quetta or Peshawar by 6 o'clock. Okay, so these are mentioned very important prepositions. I hope you will understand it. So please subscribe the channels and click the bell icon for more grammatical videos. Share with your friends, comments and like. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.